So YouTube, today we're going to be working on this Hellcat. The wide body Hellcat, and we're having an issue where the airbag light doesn't go off. I had a small accident on one side and the bag deployed. The bag was replaced already, and the airbag light doesn't go off, it stays on. I'm trying to turn it on right now for you guys. Hold on. Walk over to the other side. See the airbag system, it doesn't go away. We brought the scanner to erase that code and it still stayed on. So we hit up my airbag and we're gonna send them the module, the airbag module, off of this car. We did that for the 2016 Z71 that we built on this channel. So they said that they could do that for us, and they also do seat belts. So today we're gonna just do the module, which I believe is under the center console. It's under the center console? The thing is under the center console? Yeah, so it's somewhere over here. So we're gonna start taking this apart.
So if I found out that screws, we have to take those screws off. And I think, I don't know, we have to open right here and we back everything up.
Okay,
the module is under here.
Okay, so the module's under that. We have to remove this little plastic thing from in here. Oh, I see, there's some little screws right here that have to come off. Hopefully I have the size. I think I have size 8. So, brought the little tool bag. So these 4 little screws in here are size 8. Oh, and this thing is not fitting in there. We have to get all the adapters out. Put this one there, that one there. There you go. So there's 4 screws. I forgot to tell you also the year on this car. What year is it?
2021.
Oh, this car is a 2021, so I don't know if the process is the same for all other cars. Okay, ya le quité el este. ¿Qué más?
Took 4 off?
Yeah. Let's pop this off.
These pop out.
These? Okay. I pop that one out? No?
I think this one has to pop out.
Oh, that popped out.
I know it has clips though.
Okay. So, yeah, this thing has clips. How do you pop this off? Okay, so this thing has clips. And then these are clips as well. Just pry all this off. So all these have like little clips on here, and then this one also has clips. This thing could come off. Okay. Oh, and there's some screws right here, no?
Yeah.
There's like a couple of screws in here.
Try to roll the choke.
The AC controller. No.
Do a little
A pull?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh no, you can pull this one now. Oh, that has these screws on.
These little ones right here on the side, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's some tiny. I don't think those are 8s. ¿Qué say son como 7? Or you think they're 8s? 7?
Yeah.
A ver, agárrale ese.
No way. Oh yeah, those
Yeah,
two. But this
these
one
two.
too. So this one could pop up.
Oh, okay.
These right here.
This is on 8, no? No, they're smaller. Like 6.
It's gonna be 6.
So in order to remove this little cubby hole, you have to get to this little screw right here, which is like a 6mm. We're gonna use the Phillips. And then it has a clip right there. And then you can just pop it out. It has 2 plugs, the one for the cigarette lighter and then this little light up here.
Oh, a little flathead.
Yeah. So you can see that yellow plug right there, that's the module. I think for every car is the same thing. All the yellow plugs are airbag related stuff. Este no se tiene que quitar, este.
It has a screw.
Oh, shit.
Inside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We have to take it off though, no?
Well, we're gonna take it off. I don't think we have to take it off.
So next we're gonna do these 2 right here. Size, can say something. Hopefully they're 7. Yeah, huh? Yeah, it's size 7. That's 8.
Let's see. Yeah.
Now this whole center console piece moves back a little bit.
Put it right here. For the USB.
Oh, there's a clip, yeah, for the USB stuff. What else? This thing has to come off or no?
Okay, take it off.
But do you have to take it off?
So we can have more space.
No. So that's also helping with some clips. The AC controller right there. Yeah. The fuck? Emergency light? Oh. That only has 1 plug. Hey, should we disconnect the battery though?
Yeah, I can disconnect this. I have it unplugged already, pretty much.
What? Or you want to just disconnect it like that?
No, we can disconnect the battery.
Okay. So we're gonna disconnect the batteries in the trunk, though.
Yeah.
So we're gonna unplug the battery just for safety, because if you mess with that little connector, it could make the airbags deploy. So we're just gonna remove the ground because we already had it loose. It's a 10mm. It's just this one right here. Oh, my bad. But yeah, it's a 10mm. Now we can get to that module right there. We just gotta see what else has to come off. I think it's just a cover, no? Not trae like any screws or anything?
Just a cover. Just unplug it. It might have 2 screws, let's say.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it has some mounting screws. We're gonna unplug that clip. So the black one has to pull that way to the side. You can see that little tab right there, and that releases this yellow plug like that. So this is the like thing that secures the whole connector. There's another one over here. That one has a red tab. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a red tab. You pull it back and then you can pull that whole clip off. So on this plug, you just remove the red clip, pull it back, and then you press on this little black tab and it releases from the right side of that module. So there's a couple of bolts we're trying to get some access to. So we're gonna remove that vent tube, just lifting up the center console, and then unplugging those two connectors, just to get a little more access to that module, because on the side it's sitting on the rubber piece. So it's two pulls right there.
There's a ring.
Oh, hold the thing. There's that harness holding on to the plastic, and these two were also popped in there. Also, so this whole thing. The two with the center console. Oh no, hold on. That harness. Okay. So that's the vent for the rear. So you get this rest right here, and then you can see this rubber piece, and there's no bolt right there. Like nada. So far, just one. So we're gonna try to get to that 10mm. I think it's like a 10mm from here, from the side, no? Una llave?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it out with the 10mm real quick. We're gonna try to use this electric ratchet to get there's two back there on that module, because there's no access through here and there's no access anywhere else. So it's the only other option we have, if it even fits, which if it fits, kind of looks like it's not gonna fit. So what else could we do? Nope, it's not gonna fit. Okay, so we have to find something else that's gonna fit. Oh, so we're getting to the 10mm through the top with the ratchet. It's taking forever, but there's two bolts back there that are holding that piece in. Once we pull it off, we'll put you guys back on. It's gonna be a long process. So we were able to pull out that bolt. We had to remove the carpet, pull down the vent, and then get in there with the 10mm wrench to kind of like get to that bolt little by little. And then the one on the right side, that was this one, the one I was just talking about. Then the one on the right side, we had to do it through the top, and we did that one with the little ratchet, and it was just like a little bit better because of that carpet piece. It's not even a carpet piece, it's a rubber piece. Let me show you guys from in here. Because of this is in the way, and then the vent tube right here on the side, right here, that hits the ratchet. So we weren't able to use the electric ratchet or anything else. Had to do it little by little. Oh, this is the module, airbag control module. We're gonna send it to my airbag now, and then we'll put you guys back on once they send it back, so we could reinstall it and show you guys the airbag light. We were also trying to remove this lower dash panel to see if we could access the bolt on this side a bit easier, but that didn't work out. So we're gonna have to do this process again once we get that piece back. So on this truck, if you guys seen the rebuild on this truck, we had a little accident on the front passenger side, and the bags deployed, the curtains, the steering wheel, and I think that was it. Oh, and the seat belts. So at the time we didn't know, and we purchased the bags and everything and the seat belts on eBay, but that was the cheapest price, and even then it was pretty expensive. But then we got in contact with my airbags, and they told us to, because the light wouldn't go off, so that's how we ended up contacting them, because of the airbag module, which is under this third seat. And that's why we bought the scanner, to try to erase the code, and it just wouldn't, it would go off and it'll come back it will come back up right away. So we sent that module to my airbag. They sent it back right away. We threw it on, and as soon as we plugged it in, we turned on the truck, the light was gone. Obviously you do have to replace all your deployed airbags. So make sure to follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I will leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.